So there we were beneath the burning sky. Both had a reason to live, but so much more to die. Will fate decide who has to go?
You know, I don't know. I just know where the fish is. That's enough.
Leave that up to you. I circle round, but you double back every time I turn you.
So you can enter the boat.
Guess I met my match. I drew fast, but he drew first. Had to.
It's 3 years ago, I think. Yeah. I got 26 sea trouts in one day on a fly.
What a day!
Yeah. So that's my favorite fly, wifey fly. As my wife. Don't cost so much. So when you buy this one, you have to have knowledge to get the fish. Yeah.
Like you mentioned before, live scope in your hands.
Yes. So out writing about what you call it, the best one.
Live scope.
Live scope, yeah. They say, oh, you can see the fish. You don't have to do anything. You can find the fish here and there. And I was thinking, okay, so you're telling that nobody needs a guide. Just buy a live scope. That's really good. Yeah. Anyway, I'm in the old style, so
That's good.
you see. In the 56 year style. Mackerel have to move all the time, it cannot stand still. Yeah. So sometimes they're very fast, so you don't see them on the equator.
So you just have the spots in your head and are maybe crossing some different spots you're pretty sure where
Every
the
year
mackerels
I have to go out and to check some places.
But by surprise, you were so unaware, and I'm afraid to tell.
Cheers.
are. Cheers!
The wind is going in the east direction. So we are going to fish on a spot where we have mackerel, we have sea trout, we have garfish, and we have sea bass.
Sea bass.
Yeah, and sea bass is the new thing for this year. I got 2 last year,
Okay.
so this is the first time we are going to try the sea bass this year.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah, we'll see what we can get. And
Yeah.
we have we will spin fish them with the new products from Fladen store in Väla, Helsingborg. Really good stuff.
Stefan
Yeah.
visited us
Yeah.
today at lunchtime and brought the rods to
Yeah,
us so we can test it today directly on the water. And
I'm going to show you everything today, and we're going up to the famous mountain where we have, I call them our Swedish dolphins.
the Swedish
Yeah,
dolphins. Okay.
and usually I find them, and they are almost so you can clap them.
Ah, nice.
They are really, really nice. And if we're lucky, we can see a tuna also. Maybe, we'll see. Okay. So you saw it's the deepest was 2.7, and now it's getting deeper and deeper. And on this side it's a little bit deeper. When I'm fishing mackerel and sea trout, because it's the same. Yeah. Oh, here we have the mackerel. So we find it. No, I don't know. This is the 9.3.
Okay.
I think. No.
No, this is the 9 point.
Yeah,
I will start with a 9
Yeah.
because you mentioned you like more the lighting gear.
I don't. It doesn't matter for me. So now you're going to cast in this direction.
Yes.
I will show you how I fish.
Yeah, please do that first.
I will cast here just to show you.
Yeah.
But usually it's the best way to cast against the waves because the current go against the wave.
Okay, yeah.
And then you don't have to reel
Yeah.
so much.
That's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think you even have a bit better contact to your lure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because the lure on this side will go down very quickly.
Yeah, true.
And the fish are lazy, as we people are. So they will stand like this against the current.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And are watching in that direction, hopefully. So I will present my lure directly in front of the sea trout, mackerels. We have so many exciting things which can happen here. Even sea bass was mentioned, so
Yeah.
I'm very looking forward now to the first bites.
So I will throw now just to show you how I do.
Yeah. please do.
Usually when we are two on the boat, one is fishing this direction
Yeah.
and the other one is casting on the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will throw now on this side as we have the reef over here.
Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah. So when you hit the water, you let the lure
Yeah.
go to the bottom,
Okay.
all the way to the bottom.
All the way to the bottom.
Before you reel.
Okay.
And I do like this. So, and now the wind is taking the line, so I'm holding it a little bit and let it go. And I can see on the rod, now it's not going out.
Yeah.
Then I stop it. And I am waving with the right hand, not with the left, because I'm as I am. So this is hard for me. I went on the reel, so it's very hard to me to do this. I have to do like this. But anyway, the technique I'm doing is I do like this. Wave, stop.
Yeah.
Wave, stop. Wave, stop. And I had a fish behind the lure.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was because it was a little darker. This is the first fish. We call it beard cod. Yeah, it's a really,
lines.
yeah, it's really good when you prepare it. Yeah. Anyway, if I shall fish like I usually don't do, I have to change this one. So it's come on the right side.
Yeah.
Hold, hold. Can you see the line go up? Yeah, now you can. Also now when it's warm in the water, I think it's about 18 to 19 degrees. You can see it on the echolode.
Yeah.
Then you can reel a little faster.
Because the fish are getting normally more active then.
Yeah. You got
Fish
it?
on?
Yeah.
Ah! Wow, that was quick.
Yeah.
Great.
Already, I think it was the second cast and we've got the first garfish here. So the spot seems to work. And even the flatten lures, which we had over some hours ago, are working too. So
I will take it off.
yeah, you will take it. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. You don't want to keep it?
No, I don't want to keep.
Then we put it back in the water.
Yeah, we are more interested in mackerels and sea trouts.
Turning it around.
Perfect.
And there we go.
What a start.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
So now you just have to take one mackerel, one sea trout and one sea bass.
Now we know what the target is for
And
today.
then we just have the tuna.
Excellent.
Yeah, great.
What a plan.
Thank you. Now we have a 4 meters, really nice sea trout, and we also have mackerel.
Can you show where the mackerel is seen?
It's here, 2 meters about, and 4 meters you have the sea trout, and you see it's going up on the reef. Stuff here. The mackerel go up to the surface. I talked to some people yesterday and in the morning, and the mackerel was all on the top.
On the top, okay.
Yeah, and but it's a new day. We don't know where it is, so we have to find it. Yeah. Take it off.
Yep.
So here we have a garfish in a garfish in a really good size. Really fun to fish.
They are.
Yeah, they are.
And there are a couple more of them here in that area.
Yeah. So, but we don't want them. We want some sea trout and mackerel. Here it is. Here it is.
Kevin mentioned already that we arrived.
It was the first cast,
It was
yes.
the first cast on the sea trout spot. Crazy. And it's a strong fighter. It's not the biggest fish, and he's extremely. Unbelievable. Kevin, you're my man today. Excellent.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful silver.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. And on this side, on the west coast, it's
Yes.
congratulations.
Amazing.
Great.
Thank you.
Yeah. On this side, on the west coast, it's the measure is 45 centimeters.
45, yeah.
45.
That one probably didn't get the 45.
No, I think it's about 40, 42 maybe.
Yeah.
Something like that, but it's beautiful.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah.
So you can maybe take a picture of something if you want.
Yes.
It's the ocean silver. Yeah, so your first cast, your first sea trout?
The first sea trout in Sweden.
Yeah, great.
Excellent.
Yeah, so this is what I do. I guide people. Yeah, he went off by himself, so that's beautiful because I never touched them, I just let them go.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah. So now we're going to let him go. Boy. So I put him like this on the side, and he will run away by himself. Bye bye. Yeah, great. Good fishing for you.
A garfish, to be honest.
Shortly after.
Yeah, that's a garfish. Yeah, it's going up quite good, so.
I don't think it's a garfish.
You don't think it's a garfish?
No.
I haven't seen it so far.
No.
But then it's a small... Ah, it's a garfish.
It is?
Yeah, a small garfish.
Oh. I'll take it.
Yeah, you'll take it. Because Kevin mentioned before, never touch a garfish when you want to release it, because otherwise he's losing a lot of scales and won't do it.
There they are.
my goodness.
Wow.
Beautiful.
What is this? It seems like mackerel, isn't it? Hunting mackerel?
We'll see.
Oh, I got something.
Oh, fish on.
Let's see what it is. A lot of fish are hunting right now. Oh.
It's a mackerel. It's mackerel.
It's a mackerel.
It's a big one.
Nice mackerel. Yeah, here are a lot of mackerels hunting on the surface during our lunch break. And now we've got the first one on board. Maybe Tim, you can hand me over the landing net.
Yeah. Where's the net? Oh, there. No, fine.
Just send it over.
Wait a moment. I will take it.
Yeah, all good.
You don't need the net.
No net. No net.
Just take it in.
Okay.
Just take it in.
Beautiful fish.
Yes.
Nice mackerel.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Yeah. Brilliant.
So this is a keeper.
Nice fish.
We're going to change now for mackerel with the spin fishing. And then we put, if I can take this out, I can, like this. And this is how you call it, a piece of
A piece of monoline or fluorocarbon line probably. And there are added some very colorful flies.
yeah.
And they seem to be UV active. They're looking quite attractive, a bit smaller compared to the standard lure. So maybe this is the way to hook them.
It's not maybe.
It is the way to hook them.
Now you're going to get some problem in the water. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
that's-
followed again to the mackerels
Yeah.
and we got them here. Not on the flies, but again on the lure. And it seems to be a nice sized fish again.
Oh, it's a big one also.
Very nice.
Just take it to me.
Yep, I'll bring it over. Yeah, it's simply fun fishing, to be honest. So these fishes are so powerful. They're in big troops. We always see them hunting on the surface. I see the next group of fish over there. It's just insane. So you definitely have to come here and fish for mackerel, sea trout, garfish, and everything else what is here. Just crazy. Yeah. Yeah.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Great. Ooh.
What a nice average size.
Yeah.
Oh, it's off.
There is more. Just take them. Where we have them? Over there. Oh, here they are.
Right, yeah. Yeah.
They were not far from the boat. Oi, 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 oi.
Fish on?
Next
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Nice. They're jumping everywhere. You don't even know where to cast.
Oh, there's two. You have two.
Yeah.
My goodness! The water surface is exploding.
Three, I have three.
Three.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Big sizes. Oh, I dropped one. No, it's. Oh,
Three.
check out this one.
Wow.
Look, this is kilo. That one.
Well done, Kevin.
Yeah, it's really good.
Beautiful.
I have to take that away. Yeah, you got fish on.
On, off.
Fish off.
I circle round, but you double back every time I turn you. There in fact, well, I guess I met my match.
Kevin, what would you think is the main season for mackerel fishing? Because we had so much fun fishing here. And what is the best time of the year, the best season to come here to visit you and fish mainly for mackerel?
Mainly for mackerel, it's the first week in June, and this year they are early.
For us.
Yeah, so the big one comes now and is here to the last week in June.
Yeah.
And then it's shifting with small and big ones. And then the big one is coming again in the end of July.
Okay.
In all August and September. But then we have a fantastic fishing in July because they are up in the surface.
Nice.
So you can see them, and it's very good to fly fish mackerel also.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's a good experience. And we fish with spin fishing, fly fishing, and boat rods also. So, and we get fish not all the time. In 3 years, I have not got fish 3 times.
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah. So, but I cannot guarantee the fish, but I do my best.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
We've seen that.
So today you got mackerel, you got garfish, you got sea trout.
Everything we came for. So
Yeah.
we are more than happy.
Thank you.
Just an amazing day out on the water. Perfect.
Yeah. There's only one thing you should have when you fish, and that's fun. For sure.
Guck mal.
Oh, they're coming here.
Counting this.
Of course they're biting. Oh,
Du sagst nicht,
this is a big one. Oh. Oh. Holy smoke. Ah, it's a big. 2. Oh,
2.
shit. Yeah. Look at this size.
Nice, beautiful
What?
fish. That's a real biggie.
Yeah. Both of them.
I circle round, but you double back every time I turn you. There in fact, well, I guess I met my match. I drew fast, but he drew first hand.
Easiest way to open them, like this. Cut them just behind the fins, like this. And on the mackerel you have it's like a needle, and when you get stung on that, it's right here behind the anal opening. Mm-hmm. You can feel it with the finger here.
Oh, we both know pain, but we deal it too. Who's dealt more? Well, I leave that up to you. I circle round, but you double back. different. The time I turned you, there were facts around.